Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you really quickly how you can archive a channel in your Slack workspace. For example, if you'd like to organize or declutter your Slack workspace really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So what you want to do is head over to Slack, of course, log into your account, and the first step, select the given workspace here in the top left corner from that drop-down menu here by clicking on that arrow down icon. And what you want to do, guys, is simply pick the channel you would like to delete, for example, or archive. To do that, right click on it. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, select View Channel Details from that drop-down menu. And here inside that window, what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to Settings here on the right-hand side and pick that or choose that option here at the bottom, Archive Channel, for everyone to archive it. So left click on it. After that, go through that or read through that short description. And after that, confirm by clicking on Archive Channel here. And that is going to archive the given channel. After that, you may access the archive channel. For example, if you head over to that list of channels here on the left hand side, you will see that the channel is not displayed anymore. So it, in fact, has been successfully archived. To access it, simply click on Add Channels here. After that, select Browse Channels, and here you see of all channels inside your workspace, also the archived ones. To access the archived ones, click on any channel type here and select Archived to that list below. And as you can see, you will see already archived channels. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.